Hi! I said the next video, excuse this noise of this chair, that I did was going to be a fairy garden. I love doing fairy gardens. I need to stop doing them because I've got way too many now. I've made them for gifts and I don't know, my whole front here is covered in them. I just wanted to give you some examples today. I found this tin at Walmart and I thought it was really cute. I think it was $10. And I didn't have any dirt, so I scooped up some sand out of my driveway and put it in here. I don't know how well this is going to work. But I wanted to do like a Martian theme because I love playing with Sculpey clay. And I made this little flying saucer. And the reason I made this little flying saucer is because I had bought, gotta reach around here, these little glow-in-the-dark, they look like little aliens. Here's one that's out. He was broken, so I had to glue him back. But they glow in the dark. Can you see that? Anyways, I also love going to garage sales and finding bargains. And I found this. It's a pretty good start to a garden. All these, they're fake plants. I kill plants anyways. I do not have a green thumb. I started, with real plants when I started first doing fairy gardens. I think I've got one cactus that's still alive. Anyways, I just wanted to kind of show you this. I think I paid $1 for this. And this is a pretty good jump start to a little fairy garden. So, well worth $1. And I was trying to decide what I was going to use. I was thinking about foil, something silver on top of this sand because I didn't want to see the sand, but I don't know how well the sand is going to hold up on like the plants that I choose. I'm not going to use this cactus, but I thought it was kind of cute. And I also got these crushed gravel. I guess that's what they call them. Crushed glass. And I can make water here. These little rocks that are here in the corner are actually little seashells and rocks that I picked up when I was in California. And I should have got a lot more of them. But that's all I have, so I'm going to keep that there in the corner, almost like a beach. I'm thinking we probably could do some blue glass. I've got green glass. And I've got some really different kind of faint plants here that I think would look kind of neat on a so-called planet somewhere else besides here. I also buy lights. These are kind of cute. I'm not going to use these on this, but see, like, these little lights are cactuses. You probably can't see them, but they are cactuses. I bought marbles of different colors. One thing I like to do too, and I don't have any in here right now, is when I finish a fairy garden, I like to put a little bit of glitter on the fairy garden. This was also found at the beach. This is a piece of wood I found in California, and I'm actually going to kind of stick that right there as a starter. I ordered this funny looking guy on eBay, and he looked like he might be from another planet, so we're going to use him in here as well. And again, I got more marbles. I don't know if I'm going to use marbles or not. We could use a few of them, I guess. And every time you go to film something, the phone always rings. It's always somebody you don't want to talk to. Probably a scammer or something. Okay, whatever. I'll be right back. Just listen to the call. I've got to go grab something. We also have a really noisy AC unit, so I had to turn it up so it won't come on. And I forgot this tool. You got to have tools to cut things, and hopefully these will work really well to make the plants fit where you want them to go. And I think, look at this lovely plant. Look at this like vine thing. Isn't that neat? I mean, could that be used on here? It's all up to you. And it doesn't take long to make a fairy garden. They're always kind of fun. It's always kind of fun to see how they turn out. And I'm thinking, I like this plant. This could be from another planet. It's like something that might eat something. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the stem on this. Hopefully, I'm going to cut the stem on this. Ain't that easy. Or ain't isn't a word, right? Well, I've never used these before. Yeah, they're being pretty stubborn. There we go. We got it. I was thinking, how about right about there? Let's go with some of this blue glass. This ought to be interesting. Maybe I should use green glass. Maybe I could use both. What do you think? Let's see. Get this opened up. These work like scissors. All right. See what you think so far. Got the piece of wood that looks like a rock over here on the corner. Actually, I would leave this kind of tall. Well, it needs to be cut, but I do like this. It's really funky. What's that stringy stuff hanging off of it? Okay, so I'm gonna go and dump some of this blue right here. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't want to cover up my little rocks from San Francisco, little rocks and shells. I've never worked with this glass stuff before, but it's really pretty. That would be Deuce, my dog. He likes lots of attention. And so he barks at pretty much nothing, sometimes something. Oh, I'm hoping this is going to turn out. Here comes my flying saucer. And should I use any green? Should we put the flying saucer on the water? Because that's looking like water. This is like beach and water. We'll stick that right there. I'm thinking maybe I should glue a little guy on top of here. What do you think? Oh, why not? Let me grab some glue. It's dead quiet in here. It's almost time for me to go back to work, but I've been saying I'm going to do this video of fairy garden. I've got other fairy gardens online. And let's see if I might have to get a new one. Ooh, this thing's kind of crusty. By the way, if you've never been on here before, it would be great if you would subscribe. I need subscribers. I would actually like to just do this full time, just, you know, making videos, staying at home. Maybe I get my house cleaned, maybe not. Although I do enjoy my job, I am a bus driver. And if you do like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Every little bit helps. Now, shall we put some green in? I don't know. What about this plant here? We're going to have to put the rest of these little dudes in. Excuse me. I have allergies, so I'm always coughing. And it seems like there's always something in the air. Oh, where am I going to put that dude? Why don't we put him on the sand? There we go. Isn't he odd? Whew, this is a workout trying to get these plants. Stems broke off. Oh. I do have other lights I could use too for this fairy garden. I'm not sure how I would do that though. Let's go ahead and get this tag off of here. There we go. Well, I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. I am. I got a little bit of a nap. I've been pretty tired. Excuse me. I started diet, mess up. Started diet, mess up. I don't know. I really got to get stuff together. I want to start working out with some friends over at the YMCA. I went and checked it out the other day. It's kind of neat. They have a theater in there that you can go and work out on, like a treadmill or a elliptical, and you watch a movie. They have a theater. It's in the dark, and they have an actual movie that plays. So it's almost like, well, no one's looking at you while you're working out, and you're also so involved in the movie that you don't notice you're working out. At least that's what I think is going to happen, and I really need to do that. I've never been this fat in my life. The older I get, the fatter I get. Okay, now let's see where we could put this guy. We could maybe put it behind him. He's standing under a tree. What do you think? Fairy gardens can always be changed up. They do get dirty and kind of gross. Mine are outside, and I always have to go out and clean them up and redo them. And they don't last forever, it seems like. I guess in the house they do, but not outside. Oh, now let's see. Maybe some green. And I got to find more places for these his buddies. They have different, they're standing, some sitting. They're just doing different things. I really think they're cute. You see that little guy? And he's glow in the dark. They're going to look cute outside. I'm going to set him over here by, I don't know, the Martian King here. We got some that are sitting like, I don't know, they look like almost like, no, it's not yoga. Not into yoga. Okay. I don't really want to open this all the way up because I'm just going to sprinkle a few of these around. I don't think I'm going to use all of them. If you have any ideas for fairy gardens, write down below and tell me about it. Or if you do fairy gardens. I like buying different things for fairy gardens. Okay, I do like the color. These are kind of pretty. I will be, you probably won't see me do it, but I will probably put some glitter on this garden. Excuse me. All right, I think it does need another plant, doesn't it? Needs something. Well, let me get these little dudes in here. Let's pull out a few marbles. See how that goes. I love marbles. They're so beautiful. Let's kind of spread a few little marbles around. Ooh. Gonna be a lot of shine in this garden without the glitter, but we will put glitter on it later. There we go. A couple more over here. And I'm just gonna spread around my little guys. And that's pretty much done for now. Gonna set them around. Oops. Well, I don't want completely buried. Stand this little guy by the rock. Maybe. Whoops. There we go. So I have to get going to work. So we're going to call it the end. I'm going to take the phone off of here. Oops. Let me see if I can just kind of show you. Can you see it? Oops. There we go. I can't see what it's actually recording. Oh, can't get it off of here. Anyway, that's it for now. Sorry for the sloppy camera work. Have a blessed day, everybody. Catch you next time.